Welcome to Nursing Mantra. Today I am going to discuss regarding a special topic, that is license transfer from one authority to another authority within UAE. Before going through the video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel until now, please subscribe the channel to get the updated videos and notifications. Now we will move to the topic. License transfer from one authority to another authority within UAE. That means from the DHA to MOH, MOH to HAD, HAD to DHA, HAD to MOH, vice versa. So here, first we will see who can apply for the license transfer. The important criteria for applying for the license transfer is you should have a valid license. So many applicants are asking that whether I can apply, I have the eligibility, DHA eligibility, whether I can convert this eligibility to MOH or DHA eligibility to HAD. So you can't. Those who have the license and those who worked at least 3 to 6 months in a facility, and the facility is okay for that to give you NOC, no objection certificate, to finish their contract, and you can transfer the license. Those people can transfer the license from one authority to another. Why I am saying that? There will be data flow process for your still working experience and your license and good standing. So your employer has to give a no objection certificate, and they have to say yes to the data flow team. Then only you will get a positive report. While doing the license transfer, there are so many issues that the facility didn't reply to the data flow, so the applicant received the negative report. In that case, the applicant can't transfer the license. So always you should make sure that your facility don't have any issue with your contract finishing issues if you didn't finish your 2-year contract. And if you are still working, your facility has to give the no objection certificate. If you already contract finished, then there is no issue. Next thing, who can't transfer the license? That means I'm getting so many queries regarding I have the DHA license 2 years back. I came back to my home country, and now can I transfer my DHA license to HAD because I have an offer from Abu Dhabi? It's like that they're asking. So you can't transfer. Those applicants who are saying like that, you can't transfer the license like that. So here, why you can't transfer the license means, as I told that more than 6-month gap should not be there, okay, for the license transferring. Always it is better when you are here in UAE only to transfer the license. And for transferring license, you should have the offer letter, especially for the HAD and all, they are asking for the offer letter from the facility. If you have offer letter, if you are submitting it, you will get the license first. We can take a DHA eligibility letter without the offer letter, and for MOH also, MOH evaluation letter also we can take. Now we can see what are the documents required for the license transfer. First thing, as I discussed, the NOC, no objection certificate, if you are still working with a facility. Another thing, offer letter, it's optional according to the authority, and your previous data flow report. I made a video regarding the data flow, how to take your data flow report. If you don't have, how to download the data flow report, okay, so you can check that video regarding the data flow report. Previous data flow has to transfer, so previous data flow report is required. Good standing certificate from the current authority also required. Regarding the documents which is required for the license transfer, you can visit my Nursing Mantra website.